unboxing. Seth
Fowler.
Seth, the brother of Tony Fowler. Seth Fowler is here and help me. Welcome! I will speak English for the first time!
Congratulations!
We have Boss Randy Galang. Woo! And we have Boss Carlo Ople.
What's up, guys?
We have Boss Ron of Shoe Gang Manila. We have Boss Aaron of Manila Sneaker Expo. We have Adrian of Balenciaga, Singapore. And we have the anti-shoe expert. And of course, our special guest, Seth Fowler, the brother of Tony Fowler. I'll be able to get the camera. Because there's many camera people. It's really hard for me to look at the camera, you know. And today, Seth, welcome to the Philippines. First of all, how do you like the Philippines?
It's amazing. Like I said earlier, it's the best trip I've ever been on. Like the, the people that I've met in the Philippines, every single person I've met has been incredible, and I've never been in a place where not one person I've met I haven't liked.
Wow, thank you.
It's incredible. Yeah,
So you really like me, huh?
I do.
So now we're going to unbox many stuff right now. Balenciaga, 2 Balenciaga shoes, 1 Yeezy, 1 Chinatown Market. This one is a tennis racket from Chinatown Market, the new brand, and the Louis Vuitton. What you call that? Adrian?
Horizon
Earpods.
Earpods.
Adrian is a really good friend of mine. He lives in Singapore. He's a Singaporean accent already. Come on. Say hi to your friends.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, see, Singapore! You like so, Boss Carlo, guys, Randy, we're gonna unbox first the Chinatown Market.
Nice.
This one is a new designer. Do you know any history of this?
Chinatown, not really. Tennis, yes.
Oh, really? So this is the tennis racket they wow, it's just Milton, Shoe Expo, can you put your face here? So this is kasi people like Supreme, they make stuff, and then now Chinatown Market makes like
Going
lighters.
beyond like the usual clothes.
Yes. So they make accessories.
We always have the smiling face.
Yeah, that's their stuff like that.
Logo.
Yeah. My God, my nose is bleeding. Shit! So now we're gonna unbox the. Please, Mr. Seth, you do the unboxing. Yes, the Yeezy, this one.
I don't actually know which one this is. I'm not gonna look at it.
Okay. But you know.
Oh, I see what it is. Oh, the America exclusive.
Cameraman, can you please closing up the shoe?
350 V2 clay. It matches your phone actually.
Oh yeah, right. So this was released in the States, I believe.
Yep.
It was exclusive to your part of the world.
Yes, it was. Yeah.
I think it was released in LA, Ligaw Albay. It's really nice.
It really is. What do you think?
I think that this. Carlo, can you please speak in English? Explain it. Explain it.
Well, as you guys know, 3 Yeezys came out, different parts of the world. This one is the exclusive to North America. This is the clay version. The only thing I really like about it is that bright orange heel tab. It really pops. So it's a really nice color, unlike the other two which are a bit toned down. Right?
But
the hyperspace.
it's like for the ladies, mas maganda siya sa pambabae.
Yeah, small sizes of this one, hype
Oh,
bay.
hype bay.
So yeah, small sizes of this one will probably be selling much higher than the bigger size. That looks really nice.
And of course, guys, I want to unbox the gift. The gift of Carlo to me. Yeah. So look at this. Look at this. Oh, nice. Oh. Boss Carlo, I really like to thank you for this.
You're welcome.
From the bottom of my feet. Thank you so much. This is a Louis Vuitton Virgil
notebook.
Notebook, yeah. Thank you so much.
So you can write the names of your girlfriends.
Oh, yeah. Congratulations to Seth is getting engaged.
He's getting married.
Oh, he's getting married. Yeah. I got married many times. But Seth, my advice to you is just get married one time.
Do it right the first time.
Do it right. Don't do it wrong like me. Just kidding, my love. No more money, Okay. So next we're gonna unbox the earpod. This one is the earpod. Adrian got it for me in Singapore. It's made by Louis Vuitton, the white earpod. Yeah. So this is gonna show them the white.
This is really nice.
White,
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. So if white, you can see your tutule. The yellow, and when you check, that's the best thing in the white headphone. If you check, you get tutulin and clean. With Baby Flow! Anti-shoe expert! So I advertise Baby Flow, ha? So now we're gonna unbox this Balenciaga
The main
shoe.
event.
So the main event, guys, this will only be short because I'm quite shy to Mr. Seth, the brother of Tony Fowler.
That will stick, man. Everybody from the Philippines.
No, just kidding. I know. Seth is a really nice guy.
Yeah, he is,
So we're gonna unbox the Balenciaga. Mr. Ron from Shoe Gang Manila. Guys, pag bibili kayo sapatos ha, Shoe Gang Manila. Tangay na, mahilig din yan. Sa sapatos. So now we're gonna unbox. This is the first time I will see this shoe. Actually, Seth, this is the first time. Anti-shoe expert, you ano? Oh, you're there. Oh shit.
Nice.
Can you show?
Iron Man vibes.
What is called, Adrian?
Yes, we call it the red, black, and yellow na colorway. So
Wow.
this is one of our popular colorways. Track sneakers is our third piece.
It's an Iron Man feel, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, diba? Very timely. April 24.
Oh, April 24. Oh, hi to my friend Robert Downey, ha? I'll see you next week.
In the labahan, Downey.
Hi, Corny! Corny! Oh, this one. Yeah. So this is called the Balenciaga track. It's really a nice shoe. It's big. It's really comfortable. Adrian, how much is the retail on this one?
In Singapore dollars, it's 1290.
So in Iraqi money, how much? no, in pesos.
Roughly around 50.
Oh my God.
With tax refund, so please visit our shop.
Yeah, Balenciaga Marina Bay Sands. Seth, if you go to Balenciaga Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, Adrian will entertain you.
Go and drink.
But don't get too drunk, huh?
Free happy ending.
Oh my God! So now we're gonna unbox this second shoe, Boss Seth. This is called Balenciaga also, it's called Track. Boss Carlo,
Ooh.
Ready for summer season.
what color is it? The Grinch?
Blue. Yung pan,
The
like
Grinch,
was
you told me,
yung
yeah.
pan, Monsters Inc.
Oh, Monster Inc.
Cool.
Nice.
It's really nice.
Ateneo Lasal.
It's big and it's hard.
Away.
It's big and it's really, really hard. And if
Must
you
feel really nice.
Yeah, if you touch it, it will grow bigger. Especially my girlfriend. Seth, is it okay? You're gonna be in my YouTube? Now you realize now, huh? You know, Seth, I should be thinking like, oh shit, what did I do? Oh my God. So guys, Boss Carlo, can you explain this one?
Well, Balenciaga track, it looks nice. The green, the blue, very on season with summer. I think that's what's really nice about this. Especially in the Philippines, it's ridiculously hot these days.
I know.
I'm sure you can tell, man.
But he likes it.
You like our
He
weather?
told us. He doesn't even sweat.
I got really sunburned though.
Oh, see, so it's yeah, perfect for summer.
Yeah, so guys, we would like just to say thank you to Boss Seth.
Thank you for coming.
Boss Carlo, Boss Randy, Boss Ron, Boss Aram, Boss Adrian, and the anti-shoe expert will now greet all the people of the Philippines.
Is it okay? It's very long.
No, just greet 10 because it's a special episode.
Special episode. I just want to greet the people in the MSEA.
Yeah, mga Manila Shoe Expo, congratulations Boss Aram. Congratulations to it was packed. Congratulations to Boss Seth also. Thank you.
You got moms.
Yeah, and Sir Carlo.
Thank you for all the people who came and said hi to everybody.
Pastor, you greet the fans already.
Okay, I just greet them, okay?
Okay.
Tobert Orense,
Yeah.
Kurt Bryan, Terence James, Cian De Leon Secreto, Diego Rovira, Jadon Capini, Paul Baronga, Charles Lobo, and Sticker Planet PH. Thank you.
Oh, Sticker Planet pubic hair. Sorry. Joke lang. It's just a joke. Please. And then? Finish? Oh, I know, but you finish. And, hi to all my girlfriend. Seth, don't be like me.
Get it right the first time around.
Tonight, I'm gonna meet you all. For R at Stonehouse, huh? Okay? Bye-bye.
Peace.